Okay, this is my new acquisition. Just got engine running to test it. Cleaned all carbs out. Nice set of carburetors for a change. Lots of issues, a few bits missing and that, but yeah, want some work to make it right. American import. Yeah, got it this morning. Non-runner. Yeah, that's the tank off one of the others. This is the tank off this. It's got a few dents and knocks in it. We'll sort that out. We need to clean it out inside first. Yeah, seems not too bad that. No throttle cables for it in a minute. Shit exhaust on. Just no one's buzzed it up. Just to keep it to sell it. Wiring's in a mess. I've just done enough to get it running. Set of feed to coils. No ignition switch, so I just had to bridge the ignition out. Points seem to be fairly new and good, but you know, we'll get into all that. Yeah, just ticking over it now. Yeah, just doing above 1,000. And when it's warming up, I think it'll come down nicely, I think. There you go. Yeah, bang on 1,000. Yeah, it's got an aftermarket oil cooler fitted, which is the first time I've seen that. Yeah, at least we know it's good. Sold. Yep. Oh, chicken sandwich. Right.